Hey guys, welcome to the Chewy Kitchen. I'm Taylor Chew. Today I'm going to show you how to make really easy gluten-free sugar cookies, which will only require 3 ingredients. Whenever I need to roll something out, whether it be pie crust or sugar cookies, I use a fondant mat because it gives you dimensions and is reusable. But you can also use plastic wrap to keep your space tidy. And voila! I went a little heavy-handed on the cinnamon, so if you're gonna do snickerdoodle, just do a light dusting so they don't look quite as brown as mine. My name is Taylor Chew. Be sure to check out my royal icing video and other baking and craft videos on my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.